You're listening to an African Elements top news story for July 4, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. Tamara Parker, a North Carolina woman, is preparing for a legal battle against her local police department after a wrongful arrest for identity theft. She was arrested on September 1, 2024, at her home, facing charges stemming from a scam in May 2024 involving the fraudulent purchase of 2 Apple iPhones. These phones were delivered to an Advance Auto Parts store where investigators interviewed employees who implicated Parker. However, her attorneys confirmed she was not at the store that day. She was attending her daughter's kindergarten graduation. The only suspect description police had was a black woman, which raises concerns about racial profiling. Vague descriptions can lead to wrongful arrests by prompting police to apprehend individuals based on general profiles rather than specific evidence. The lack of detailed information in Parker's case suggests investigative errors, such as not thoroughly vetting witness statements or following up on alibis. Fortunately, her charges were dismissed on June 23 due to insufficient evidence, meaning the prosecution failed to present compelling evidence. While this dismissal is legally positive, it does not erase the negative impacts on Parker's record and reputation. Her attorneys stated that the charges threw her life into a spiral of instability and fear. Parker lost her job in December 2024, incurred thousands in legal fees, and suffered damage to her credit. Her home is now in foreclosure. Parker expressed the impact, stating, "I lost everything. It was very traumatizing. Wrongful arrests can lead to financial strain from legal fees, lost wages, and the inability to work. This burden can escalate, affecting credit scores and leading to asset loss through foreclosure. The stress from a wrongful arrest complicates employment opportunities, exacerbating financial difficulties." Parker is now represented by the law offices of Harry M. Daniels, who are considering a lawsuit against the Gastonia County Police Department. Attorney Harry Daniels is exploring a civil suit to help Parker seek justice and rebuild her life. Suing for wrongful arrest typically involves filing a civil lawsuit under Section 1983 of the U.S. Code, alleging constitutional rights violations. Challenges include proving police acted with malice, overcoming qualified immunity defenses, and navigating complex legal procedures. The process can be lengthy, expensive, and emotionally taxing, often requiring extensive discovery and potentially a trial. To cope with financial burdens, Parker has started a GoFundMe campaign for living and legal expenses. She stated that attorney fees and court costs have drained what little I had left. Crowdfunding platforms like GoFundMe are often relied upon for legal fees due to exorbitant costs associated with criminal defense or civil lawsuits. Wrongful arrest victims frequently lack personal resources to cover significant legal expenses. Crowdfunding has become common for individuals facing legal battles, allowing them to garner public support. Parker's case reflects broader systemic issues within law enforcement. Wrongful convictions often begin with wrongful arrests, with eyewitness misidentification being a leading cause. While statistics on wrongful arrests based on vague racial descriptions are scarce, racial profiling and biased policing practices are prevalent. These practices contribute to disproportionate arrests of minority individuals. Wrongful convictions can stem from eyewitness misidentification and police misconduct, including aggressive tactics. Challenges of police accountability are highlighted by the reinstatement of Brookford Police Chief Willie Armstrong, despite felony charges in a cold case. Such reinstatements indicate systemic issues within law enforcement, including a lack of independent oversight. This reflects a culture prioritizing institutional protection over public trust and justice. Achieving police accountability is difficult due to legal and political hurdles, even in serious allegations. Wrongful arrests can lead to long-term psychological effects, including PTSD, anxiety, and depression. The experience can cause emotional trauma and a profound sense of loss, impacting mental health for years. Families of wrongfully arrested individuals also suffer, facing emotional distress and financial hardship. Copyright African Elements.